Welcome to our tutorial on adding a supervisor in the Primenet software. Right now, I've just logged in and I'm at my dashboard. I go up and hover my mouse over security, go down and select supervisors. I can see the current supervisors that I have in the system. To add a new supervisor, I'm going to click Add New Supervisor. If the login name is unique and it doesn't match anybody else in the system, we will get a green check mark. In the other ID, we don't need anything in here, so we're just going to move past that. We'll set the user's first name in here, their last name, their email address, and the email address needs to be unique also, or you will get a red X next to this, prompting you to enter a unique email address. We see we've got the green check mark, so we're okay for this. You may or may not have more than one role to be able to assign to supervisors. As you see here, I've got a regular supervisor and a read-only. So select the role that is available that you need for this supervisor, and then click Save. This adds the supervisor in. From here, we can assign the employees, and we're going to assign him as the primary supervisor of employees. So I'm going to click Assign Employees. And it helps if we got the right one, Assign Employees. Now, there's nobody in here right now, so we can do one of two things. We can simply hit Filter, and everybody in the company shows up. Or if you've got hundreds of employees and you don't want to go and sift through all of them, we can select Department and choose the particular department the employees are in to be able to filter everybody out. Once I've got the department and the number selected here, I click Filter again, and now I only see the employees that are in that department. I would select all the employees I wanted that supervisor to see when they log in, and I'm just going to click Confirm. Are you sure? Yes. And it tells me employees assigned successfully. I click OK. Now, if this employee also oversees another supervisor's employee or employees, we can assign those employees to him, and he can be their secondary supervisor. I click Assign Employees here, and the same way we can click Filter to see everyone in the company, or I can select on my labor level. I'm using departments. Choose a particular department and click Filter, and now we see the employees in that department. And I can choose employees for him to be a secondary supervisor of. Click Confirm, click OK. Employees assigned successfully. Now, when we're done adding the supervisor, they will get an email. If they don't get it in their inbox, have them check the spam. Different companies with different email services use different whitelists and things like that. Once you do find the email, it's going to give them the instructions. It's going to give a temporary password, their login name, and a link. They're going to copy their password. They're going to click on the link, and that's going to take them to another page. In the top box, they will paste the temporary password, and they will create their own password and then confirm it in the bottom two boxes. Remember, they need to have a capital, a number, and a special character like an exclamation point, ampersand, star, included in the password, and the length must be at least 6 characters long. Once they've created that password and clicked Activate, they're now ready to start using the system. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for Primenet.